Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix NVIDIA driver download failed. Let's fix it guys. Method one, you just need to open up Chrome and search Geek Uninstaller and select the download option under Geek Uninstaller. Select the zip file and download it. After getting download done, select this folder icon. Double click on the zip file, double click on the application. Select yes. Now type here GeForce Experience. Just right click on the GeForce Experience and select uninstall option. This program will help you to uninstall the program completely. After getting uninstall done, just to close stuff here and open up Chrome and search NVIDIA app. NVIDIA launched the app with the name NVIDIA app, that the latest program to use to update your drivers. Select the download option and download it. After getting download done, install it. After the installation done, that video app will open up. Go to drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any updates, select the download option and download it guys. And check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to open up Chrome and search display driver uninstaller and select the first link. Select one of this option and it will start downloading. Thanks for downloading. We just need to wait for this to get done. After getting download done, select this folder icon, right click on the DDU and select extract all. Select extract. After getting extract done, double click on the DDU V18 and select the extract option to extract the file. This is the extracted file. Just double click on it. Double click on the display driver uninstaller and select yes. In this select device, select OK, select close, OK. And select device type, set this GPU and click on the drop down under and select your GPU company name, in my case NVIDIA. And now select the clean and restart option. After selecting this option, you will uninstall the current display driver. After getting uninstall done, just need to open up Chrome and search NVIDIA driver download and select the first link. In manual driver search, you just need to select here GeForce. Select your model. In my case, I have 50 series, 5080. Select your operating system, select your language, and select the find option. After getting this page, just need to scroll down. I just need to download the latest version, guys. Select the view option next to the latest and select the download option and download it. After the download done, install it. After the installation done, our problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.